Northern Michigan community is still cleaning up tonight after terror struck over the weekend. An EF3 tornado hit the small town of Gaylord, killing 2 people and injuring dozens more. The tornado hit late Friday night, leaving major damage across the area, flipping cars, destroying buildings, and much more. Sadly, that destruction has turned into a scammer's paradise now. Attorney General Dana Nessel is investigating price gouging after a demand increase for basic goods following that deadly tornado. The Attorney General's office says state law prohibits any retailer from charging a price that is grossly in excess of the price at which similar property or services are sold.